Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Painters with Mike on the floor today. And today I have decided to bring back the boxes, and also any sort of paintings that come in man in bags. I think it's more fun like that. It was time consuming, but do you know what? It makes the video longer, which is great if we do it like that. So inside here is something I've never done on the channel before. I do just want to say that I've got two paintings prior to this, which were going to be the first ones. Unfortunately, because of weather conditions with snow and stuff, I've had to flip it and reverse it. So I've had to do it back to front. Now, inside here is from a company called Art Dot. Now, somewhere on the channel, if I didn't delete it, I did do an unboxing of a file, and I hated their files. I'm not collaborated with them in any way, shape or form, so I will say negatives, I will say positives. And then one day I was looking for a painting and this popped up and I could not believe the quality of it, right? I know what the quality's like because I've got other unboxings that I've got to film but haven't got around to doing yet. But inside here is a diamond paint from Art Dot. Now, they don't have a very big range. When I looked on the actual storefront of them on Amazon, it just seems to be like accessories with a few paintings. But yeah, this one actually came in a box, whereas the other one seems to have come in a bag. So I've got to get a new one of these because every time I push it up to the front, it just retracts. So something's wrong with that. But you can get these through Temu and you get like a little keyring thing. They're just great for like unboxing things. So inside here as well, very excess paper. I don't know why they always put loads of paper in. But does anyone realise this paper absolutely stinks? I don't know what it is on there, but in their factories, I don't know what like they use on this paper, but it just stinks all the time. Does anyone else feel that problem? But inside here, all that packaging, all this paper is basically to pack it out so it don't move about. But inside here, guys, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? This is the Art Dot diamond painting kit, and it actually shows you what the item is. So this is a rose. Now, Tessa had this, and I thought this looked okay-ish because obviously it's quite a lot of black. So it's gonna, I don't know how pretty this is gonna look because there's so much black, it's not gonna bring the colour out much. But what I love about this is probably the next best thing to what's it called, Diamond Art Club, because as you know, their stuff comes like, I think they come in tubes. Did they come in tubes? I mean, it's been so long since I did one, I can't remember, but I'm just getting very fed up with things being out of the stock all the time. So this is sort of like the next best thing. I do understand upon research that apparently these always come in these tubes. So these are fabulous because not only do they, you know, you've got your tube, you can actually store them in there. You know, if you haven't diamond painted, you could probably carefully roll them once you finish to store them. But yeah, I just love the presentation in this. Now, what I will say also is you do get a fabulous kit. You get washi tape, which not many companies include that, which is quite good. So yeah, a really lovely design. On the back, it just tells you all about what you get in the tube. And on here, this is it, guys. And yeah, first of all, this is the kit I was telling you about. And I'm not sure what the little dot's for. Maybe it's to stick it there. Now, because Tessa's got these, I did ask Tessa what these things were, which I'll show you in a minute. But in here, we get ourselves a sparkly pen. Okay, we've also got ourselves some gorgeous flowery washi tape. Very nicely done because it goes very well with what we're working on, like a flower. So this is really nice. Again, DAC do this as well, which is good. You've also got yourself a little heart wax, which is really nice. You get yourself a squashy and you get yourself a tray. Now, I did ask Tessa again because I was a bit curious as to why this was like a little dip. And she said that's so that you can pull your drills out. But also, I wasn't sure what this little groove was, and apparently these are stackable. So you will get these sort of trays in every kit, and then you can stack them up or interlock them there, and then it just assembles. You also are provided with 2 little stickers, and what they do is they provide these for like any spare drills that you've got. You can just have a bit of a, you know, fill it up and sort of thing. So that's our little kit. I'm going to see if I can squeeze that back into there if I can carefully so that we don't lose it, because I won't be working on this until probably May, because May is when I do flowers. Yeah, so let's pop that into there, and let's get into the painting itself. Look at this frilly bit there. That is just, it's no like straight edge, you just get that lovely finish on it. We'll look at the jewels next, but oh look, do you see that lovely edge that we've got? And on here it's actually like a fabric. It's really lovely. Now before we get into the painting, they do provide you with a sticker sheet, and you can actually, if you've got them little containers that I use, the little rectangle ones, you could probably peel this off, because you get a sticker here, and put that on the actual kit so you know that's in reference to that. Now these are all your colour codes, they are stickers, okay, so they do peel off, as you can see. I am told by Tessa that all the ones that have like a rainbow effect, so these would be these 2, they are ABs, which stand for Aurora Borealis, which gives basically an iridescent shine next to a standard drill, and it makes it shine even more when you put an AB next to a standard drill. So yeah, really nicely done. You've got some blanks here as well. And then we get into the painting itself, and looking at that, although they said it's quite big, quite black around the edge, I think that's going to turn out nice. Now this is a 35x25, so it's a new size for me, but to be fair with you, it just looks like a 30x40 in some respects. You've got the schematic down the side here, and also the stick is very, very strong. It's really lovely, and this isn't actually black, it looks more like a navy blue, so I think that's going to turn out lovely. But yeah, I really cannot recommend these before, and I know in the past I didn't like that file, but I think it's just that I weren't happy with. And then when I saw this, I thought I'll give it a go, and I'm so glad I did, because their quality on the back is just so gorgeous. Look at that. It's like, sorry, that's because I did hoover yesterday, but there seems to be some bits on the floor. But you get that lovely felt on the back, and you know, all that frilly bit at the edge is just absolutely gorgeous. It's so nice that I wouldn't want to cut the border off. Again, that's entirely up to you, but this has turned out absolutely gorgeous. So really good. The symbols are really nice and easy to see. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Now these are the jewels here. Look like there's quite a lot in there, which is nice. Let's take a look in here. Whoop. Okay, so these are the jewels. We've got a white, a black, a pink, a blue, dark blue, sort of pastel colours coming here, green and an orange and a dark, oh wow, good God, blimey. Okay, we've got quite a lot here, about 5 packs of that blue. We've also got ourselves a brown. Don't know what that is. It looks like a dark grey, and then a sort of pink, a dark pink there, a green, a sort of purple and a red. And we've also got this beautiful, lovely pack here of these beautiful pastel pinks. We've got a bit of green, a brown, again 2 of them blues again, a purple. We've also got like a burgundy colour, an orange, and there's our first AB, guys. Look at that orange. Probably not the best colour, putting that as an AB, but we'll have to see what it looks like. We've got a pink, purple, so where's our other AB? Green, blue, and aha! There it is, look guys, there's our AB drill, the yellow one there, look. Really nice. And we got a brown, a purple, a blue, and a very dark purple, which is probably Number 1 looks like a 550, and as you can see here, we have, no, it's a 154. I've just noticed with the Shemetic, they do half this side, and then it's sort of carried on from this side. I don't know, because there's a 25, yeah, it ends at 24 and then 25 appears over here. So that's really nice, because rather than try and squeeze it on there, they've just shimmered it over to that side. So guys, that is Art Dot. I really highly recommend you get these products, because this is very similar to how DAC work. They provide you with a sticker sheet thing, and they also give you a kit with like washi tape and stuff in there as well. The only thing you don't get with this kit is a cover minder. So yeah, I absolutely love that. Absolutely over the moon. And what's nice is you get this lovely tube that you can put it back into. So for example, if I was to roll this up, probably won't go back in now that I've took it all apart. But if I was to roll that up, I can then store that in here, ready for next time. And we just tuck that in there. Whoops. We've got some more drills here, but I'll tackle that later. And then as you can see, if you're not ready to do it yet, or perhaps you're going to a friend's house and staying a couple of nights, or you know, maybe it's Christmas and you want to do a Christmas painting, you've got a lovely tube you can carry it in and take it over there. But anyway, that's Art Dot. We'll be doing more of these kits. As I say, there's very little range on the Amazon at the moment. I don't know if it's just something new that's coming across, but I'm probably going to sign up to their website. But this was literally $2.99. It was a bargain. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Apologies about the light. We have got terrible weather over here at the moment. Very sort of dark and gloomy, and the weather is crap, as per usual. But yeah, please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you want to buy this kit, the link's in the description of the video, and I will see you next time for another diamond painting unboxing brought to you by Art Dot. Bye bye.